Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical piece of safety gear, the Scherber Premium IFAK Kit. We found this product online and have added a link in the description, so you can check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Scherber Premium IFAK Kit? This is a fully stocked trauma pack designed to equip you with the essential supplies needed for emergency situations. Whether you're a first responder, a member of the military, or simply someone who wants to be prepared for any unexpected scenario, this kit has you covered. One of the standout features of this kit is its high-performance MOLLE pouch. Constructed from durable 600D nylon, it's built to endure years of wear and tear, ensuring your life-saving tools are always within arm's reach. The intuitive design includes a convenient hook and loop rear panel, which allows for easy customization and quick access to your gear. With Velcro attachments, you can grab what you need in a hurry, making it ideal for those throw-and-go moments when every second counts. Inside the kit, you'll find genuine North American rescue equipment, including a Combat Application Tourniquet, CAT, and a HyFin Vent Chest Seal. These are not knockoff products, they are trusted tools designed for hemorrhage control and airway management. The complete trauma care set also includes bandages, breathing emergency gear, and other essential supplies, providing you with a comprehensive solution for handling gunshot wounds and major bleeding incidents. This IFAK kit is suitable for a wide range of users. It's perfect for EMTs, police officers, military personnel, and anyone involved in tactical operations. However, it's also a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and even families who want to be prepared for emergencies at home or while traveling. Practical use cases for the Scherber IFAK kit are numerous. Imagine being out in the field, whether on a hiking trip or during a community event, and witnessing an accident. With this kit, you can respond effectively and confidently. It's compact enough to carry in your vehicle or backpack, ensuring you're always ready to act in case of an emergency. In conclusion, the Scherber Premium IFAK Kit is a must-have for anyone serious about safety and preparedness. With its high-quality materials, essential tools, and intuitive design, you can trust that you're getting a reliable product for critical situations. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.